Today I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite features in CapCut and I'm going to teach you how to use them. Let me show you what we will cover. The first one is remove background, and not only from humans but also cars, animals and also other objects. The second feature is text to audio. The third is amazing caption templates. Fourth, isolate voice from audio. And fifth feature is enhanced audio. And when I say these are my favorite features, it means I use them almost in every video I edit. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it.
Open CapCut and create a new project. We will remove the background from that nice old Volkswagen here. Drop the clip to the timeline, duplicate it by copy and paste, and go up to remove background. Now here you can see we have auto removal. That works if we want to remove background from the humans, but we want to remove it from the car, so we will choose custom removal. Smart brush and paint the van like this. Wait for the process to end, and if you need to, you can delete the unwanted part with the smart eraser. When you are done, just click apply. You can check if everything is okay by turning off that eyeball here.
What I will do is add the text behind the car. Add default text. Change font to something bold. I will also add shadow. Extend it. Drag it under the cutout van clip. And at the end, you get this nice footage of a van and text behind it. Before we continue with the tutorial, I would like to announce one thing. I'm really happy that I can invite you to CapCut contest where you can win a nice prize. You can join in either with your YouTube Shorts video that you made in mobile CapCut app or long form YouTube video. Click on the link below in my description to know more about CapCut contest and claim your share of the $5,000 prize pool. Moving on to second feature, text to audio, and we will continue with our Volkswagen clip. Go up to the text, add text. I will copy and paste a text about this legendary Volkswagen van. Click text to speech and choose one of the available voices here. I will go with Joey.
The old VW model has been known by many different names over the years. Some people call it a bus or microbus, while others just refer to it as an old Volkswagen van. However, the most common names for this van are still Bully or Combi.
And when you're happy with it, just click here, start reading. But if you want to go with other, female voice for example, then we can choose Jessie.
The old VW model has been known by many different names over the years. Some people call it a bus or microbus, while others just refer to it as an old Volkswagen van. However, the most common names for this van are still Bully or Combi.
Next one is caption templates. Let's move back, go to auto captions, choose language and hit generate. The captions are now generated, but we can make them much better with caption templates. Go up to templates and choose the one you like. I will go with this one and make it a bit smaller. Let's play it.
The old VW model has been known by many different names over the years. Some people call it a bus or microbus, while others just refer to it as an old Volkswagen van. However, the most common names for this van are still Bully or...
What we can do is change the template for just one part. In this case, we need to uncheck Apply to All, so we don't change all the captions but just this highlighted part. Choose different template and resize it if you need to. Let us see how it turned out.
The old VW model has been known by many different names over the years. Some people call it a bus or microbus, while others just refer to it as an old Volkswagen van.
Fourth feature is isolate voice. We can now delete the voice and captions because I will import the music background with the vocals from Epidemic Sound. Let us delete the right part so it doesn't take us too long. Let's hear the original.
We get down baby doll.
Now go up to Vocals Isolation and choose Remove Vocals, and let's CapCut do its magic. Let's hear it. That is really good. My fifth favorite feature is voice enhancement. For this case, I went out to record this audio.
As you can see, I'm walking by a very busy road here and it's really loud. Let's see how good CapCut will work here.
So I imported that video, go up to Audio, and all you have to do is click on Enhancement Voice feature. Let us hear the difference now.
As you can see, I'm walking by a very busy road here and it's really loud. Let's see how good CapCut will work here.
In my opinion, that is so much better and you can hardly hear any car sounds. Don't forget to check that CapCut contest by clicking the link in the description where you can win a share of $5,000 prize pool. Wishing you lots of luck and see you in the next one.